2011 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter. What I'm doing now is this is the rack that holds my spare tire underneath my vehicle. And what happened was, on these ends right here, you have a hanger, which are called, what are these things called? They're not hangers, they're called shackles. That's what they're called. All right, this is the part number. All right, and the way this works, it hangs on each end over there and over there, and it attaches underneath, as you can see right there and right there. So it hangs on those two brackets, and it pivots on those two, so that when you release the front part, you lower it, it pivots on those, and you take the tire off. Now the front part, this part here, it hooks up to these hooks right here. There's a hook right there, and there's a hook right there. If you look underneath, you can see it. Let me see if I can get it to you. There you go. It's this one right here. To get into a comfortable position. It's that right there. See that hook? Now it releases from above. There's a section there that you have to pop open so you can release the bolt, and then it comes down further so that you can unhook it. And once you unhook the front part here, which is the rear, then you lower it and it pivots on those brackets. All right, I just wanted to show you the part because this part was hard to find because I didn't know the name of it. A shackle. Once again, that's the part. And make sure you get your nuts and bolts. And the one that comes with it, it's strange. It's like a star bit, but it's a socket star bit. You can also use a 3/8, one of these guys, multiple sided, or just the solid ones, 8-sided. They work fine on those. All right. Hope this helps you out on your project. While I had it out, I painted it as well. All right, thanks for watching, and good luck with your Mercedes-Benz Sprinter. Okay, I just wanted to show you how it looks when it's done. This end is lowered. The back end, or the front end of the vehicle, where the shackles are just hanging. Okay, once you put your tire on here, you lift up this whole thing, and it latches onto those two hooks that I showed you, and the access is right above here. You take off these covers right here, and there's your bolt. All right. You loosen it up, the hook goes down, you can spread them open, put this in, the hook goes right underneath that and holds it in place. You know, you have to lift it. It's a little heavy with the tire, but it's doable. Thanks for watching.